adding in the battery module last. Here I think, as you heard in the previous session, there are still some items in the firmware we're working on. So right now it's programmed to boot as soon as power is applied. So we're adding the battery module here. And you can see we're also booting on the form factor device. And there we are. As on the current BDD build, the touchscreen is gated on some firmware, and so that'll include the functional demo and take a look under the hood at the modules that we have here today. So Dexter will disassemble the device. And so these are the Spiral 2 shells, injection molded polycarbonate decorated with dye sublimation. I really love the design of this particular phone. Those are my dogs on the back, Grace and Eleanor. And so as we get down to the endo here, you can see the redesigned interface blocks, the integrated electropermanent magnets into the endo, both the rear and the front as well. So we'll, I guess, you saw under the hood of the application processor module from the BDB, which had the safety enclosure shield on top, which is not removable by the user, but we have an AP here to show you a look underneath there at the PCB. And then we'll step through the modules and reassemble the device. So this is the receiver module with the proximity sensor and the ear speaker. We have the display with the integrated power and volume buttons. We have the camera module. You can see the slight exceedance in Z to accommodate for the larger imaging sensor. This is our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. USB charging module. This is the Band 5 antenna module utilizing the RF bus for the 3G cellular module that's going in now. Application processor module. Loudspeaker module. And last but not least, again, our battery module. And this is the large battery module, giving us a little extra boost of power. And that is the Spiral 2 prototype form factor device. And it's booting up again, but we didn't see one, so all right, thank you.
All right.